How to access free lawyer-provided answers to legal questions concerning consumer rights up to 3 times a year. A service for low-income people. Information about the program and a step-by-step guide to asking your legal question. Please pause the presentation here if you wish to read through the list of states providing this program, to determine if your state participates. Upon looking for help from federal-level consumer protection agencies, I stumbled upon the following information that allowed me to ask the question I was seeking guidance on to a lawyer for free. This free service is only for those below a certain income level. Before you can ask your legal question, you will have to enter personal income information to see if you qualify for free guidance. Information about the American Bar Association's Free Legal Answers program. This information is all provided at abafreelegalanswers.org. What is ABA Free Legal Answers, and is it really free? ABA Free Legal Answers is a virtual legal advice clinic in which qualifying users post civil legal questions at no cost to be answered by pro bono attorneys licensed in their state. What kinds of legal problems does Free Legal Answers help with? Question topics include family, divorce, custody, housing, eviction, homelessness, consumer rights, financial, work, employment, unemployment, health and disability, civil rights, income maintenance, juvenile and education law. Who makes Free Legal Answers? ABA Free Legal Answers is a project of the American Bar Association Standing Committee on Pro Bono and Public Service. If you would like more information about the site, please visit the committee's Free Legal Answers website. How the American Bar Association's Free Legal Answers program works. This information is all provided at abafreelegalanswers.org. 1. See if you qualify. Answer a few questions to see if you qualify to use the service. 2. Ask a question. Ask their volunteer attorneys a specific question about your civil legal issue. 3. Check your email. You'll receive an email telling you when your question receives a response. 4. Log back in. See the response to your question and ask more questions. A step-by-step guide to asking your consumer rights-related legal question. Go to the website abafreelegalanswers.org. Select the state where you live from the drop-down menu at the website. For the purpose of this guide, I selected my home state, New York. Upon selecting New York, I am brought to a New York-specific web address, nyfreelegalanswers.org. My assumption is that each state that participates has a similar website. Click Get Started. Click Yes in the pop-up box where it asks, do you still want to ask a question? Read the user agreement presented. If you agree to the user agreement, toggle on the I agree box. After you toggle on the I agree box, click on Next. You can reference the appendix of this presentation, slides 25 to 30, if you would like to view the user agreement in its entirety. Now you will be presented with several consecutive prompts where you must populate information. The next 5 slides contain the information you are asked to populate at each prompt. There will be no audio for these 5 slides. I will leave each slide up for 10 seconds so you have time to pause my presentation if you wish to take additional time to review the content. Once you populate the web form displayed at the fifth prompt and click on Next, you will receive an email with a link you click on to validate your account. Click the link in the email to verify your free Legal Answers account. After you tap on the link in the email to verify your account, you will be brought back to the website. Sign in with your login and password. Now you can ask your legal question. Click on Ask a New Question. This is the window that will open, where you populate your legal question. The first half of the web form is pictured below. Please pause the presentation now if you would like to take additional time to view the content. This is the second half of the web form where you populate your legal question. Please pause the presentation now if you would like to take additional time to view the content. You will get an email notification when your legal question has been answered. From the email, you can click the link Free Legal Answers website and it will take you to the website where upon logging in, you can read the answer to your question. The red arrow in the below graphic indicates where to click to be transported to the Free Legal Answers website. Given consumer right-related legal advice is only a sliver in the grand scheme of legal advice questions you may have as a citizen, I am including 2 additional government-sponsored websites that offer resources for a different variety of complaints. There will be no audio for these 2 slides. I will leave each slide up for 10 seconds so you have time to pause the presentation, if you wish to take additional time to review the contents. The appendix follows and completes this presentation. This is the full context of the American Bar Association's Free Legal Answers Program User Agreement referenced in slide 9. I will leave each slide up for 10 seconds so you have time to pause the presentation, if you wish to take additional time to review the contents. I will also pause here to thank you for the time and interest you invested into viewing my presentation. As always, please do not hesitate to leave feedback, corrections, and/or suggestions in the comments section for this video. If anyone is from a state other than New York, I'd love to update my presentation with any state-specific information or screenshots you care to send along.